I'm a holistic doctor. So what that means is we'll be using a wide variety of healing modalities and choices, including traditional Chinese medicine and classical homeopathic medicine. If you choose the comprehensive approaches to treatment, we'll be looking at your entire life history, including going back into your childhood, all of the emotional issues, any traumas, any physical traumas, and then we'll go into your young adulthood and then on into what's going on right now from a physical, emotional, and spiritual point of view. In spite of constitutional imbalances and medical problems, we can actually help through homeopathy and Chinese medicine eradicate some of these genetic and inherited predispositions so they won't be passed down generation to generation. Optimal health and increasingly better health and vitality is in fact an option and a birthright. Together we can work with your medical doctors and your team therapists, chiropractors to bring you to a much, much higher state of health than would otherwise have been thought of.
We first became clients of Dr. Martin's over 20 years ago when my oldest daughter was a baby and was having a hard time sleeping through the night, and I was going crazy. So we thought we'd try some alternative medicine, and we used homeopathy with her very successfully.
With acute homeopathy, I'm going to ask you a few questions to determine which is the correct homeopathic remedy for your particular physical symptoms. Homeopathic remedies are very light, easy to take, and inexpensive, and then you should see results within a couple of days. When we do constitutional homeopathic medicine as compared to acute, we're basically unpeeling the layers of the onion. Each time we unpeel another layer, we have new symptoms to work with. So this approach will take longer, but because we're taking your complete family history and health history, as well as dealing with the emotions, the results will just be very, very deep acting.
I also had a broken leg at one point, and when the cast came off, he was able to do some acupuncture and some homeopathy with me to help that speed up that healing process, and I was surprised that it went as quickly as it did.
These very tiny stainless steel needles stimulate the appropriate acupuncture points along the energy pathways of the body. These are called meridians. Energy blocks are released, restoring the flow of qi, our life force, and thereby increasing our health. Certain acupuncture points can increase sex drive, combat infertility, increase digestive function and assimilation, decrease inflammation or fever, boost immunity, improve memory, or aid in the reproduction of red or white blood cells. Acupuncture can reduce stress, overcome addictions, clear up skin problems, and eliminate most types of pain. Utilizing yin and yang theory, the 5 elements of Oriental medicine, blood testing, hair analysis, body typology, saliva or urine tests, Dr. Martin determines which foods and supplements are best suited to support and strengthen your particular body and constitutional type. Together with you, Dr. Martin will determine the extent and nature of your tests. Some people opt for no tests at all and want to use a more intuitive approach. It's always up to you. Homeopathic remedies are used to catalyze your body and help heal itself, and is very useful in treating acute health problems. The more comprehensive forms of classical and constitutional homeopathy are Dr. Martin's specialties. Together, his eclectic homeopathic approach will help to initiate a deep level of mind, body, spirit healing. In Chinese herbology, formulas containing many different herbs are typically utilized. Dr. Martin uses these to complement and supplement nutritional counseling, diet, acupuncture, and homeopathy. Herbs are very gentle and one of the most effective ways to promote health and healing.
Since 1983, I've been treating women for a wide variety of women's health issues, including PMS, menopause, infertility, endometriosis, fibroids, cysts. So now we'll just get you ready. We'll have you change into a gown. You can relax. I'll come back in and we'll start on your acupuncture treatment.
This won't hurt, will it?
No pain at all. It's very, very relaxing.
Since I've been coming to Dr. Randy for 3 weeks, I'm going on my 4th week next week, I feel 95% better.
I'm sure you already know how well acupuncture works for headaches, neck and shoulder problems, back pain, and sciatica. But what most people don't realize is how well it also works for allergies, migraine headaches, and then for children and little kids. Homeopathic medicine is just magic for ADD, diarrhea, croup, ear infections, and a wide variety of other problems.
I suffered from stress and anxiety. I don't have that now. Dr. Randy has a personal touch that's just fabulous.
Dr. Martin also treats men's health issues, hypertension, prostate problems, skin problems, all types of pain, immunity and digestive problems such as IBS.
All you have to do is show up and follow your agreed upon treatment plan. Deeper changes really will happen. Optimal health is your birthright.
Dr. Martin suggests you always consult with your medical doctor before starting any new treatment program, and never discontinue any medications your medical doctor has prescribed without his full knowledge and permission. It's important to realize there may be interactions with herbs and pharmaceuticals. Dr. Martin believes in teamwork, integrating your medications prescribed by your medical doctor with any complementary treatments your doctor approves of.